Since the dawn of Homo sapiens, we have burned our way towards the future with fire as our guide, warmth, food, cooking a pizza, and of course, roasting s'mores with your future love interests.
What?
I mean your bestest bros. Today, these 4 cavemen attempt to do what has been done at least 100 other times by various other primates. These boys you're about to see are known as... Slumped!
Hey guys. Welcome to Slump's first vlog.
Zazzy's email snacks.
Shut the We're gonna do a fire today. We're gonna do a little s'more roasting, and it's gonna be epic.
Make sure you put plastic in the fire, it gives off good fumes.
What's up? What's up, Ben?
What's up, man?
So what are you grabbing there, big guy?
Sticks, bro. You seen this?
That's just not gonna start shit.
Okay, I got a little task for y'all.
Kermit.
We need to go get.
Oh Jesus.
We need little like sticks and stuff.
Hey,
Alright,
Roger.
guess I gotta get to work. Alright, let's go find some sticks. I'm gonna find the biggest stick. Fuck these guys. Hey guys, I found a bunch of sticks. Alright guys, my fucking friends aren't doing anything to help start the fire. I gotta start finding some sticks. Can you just start the fucking fire already? It's way too windy, we can't do this. We can't do this, we should just refilm something else.
What? Dude,
Yeah.
just go for it.
No, it's over.
What?
Here,
Hey,
film.
maybe we should like...
Here, film this.
Maybe we shouldn't, you know, put the... Don't! Don't fucking... Here, take your phone.
Run! Run!
I got it.
Well, what about that? It's gonna burn!
I got it.
We got a real firebender over here.
No. God damn it. Here. I'll help it.
Yeah, it fucking goes up your piss stream and burns your cock clean off. That'd be funny.
Tanner, you're actually stupid.
You're the one on your hands and knees looking for sticks like a toddler.
Because you won't fucking help us.
I've been helping.
I'm gonna fuck you in the
I've been helping off camera, so there's no proof of it. Look what Daddy just found, baby.
You just put nuts.
I'm not kidding. Come fucking help get sticks.
Wait, I was asking if...
Here, Ben, why don't you try being the fucking cameraman if you think it's so easy?
It is really easy. Oh wow! Look, I get to be the cameraman.
Can you film me getting sticks?
Sure, fine.
You're filming, right?
No.
Can you start?
No. I was gonna grab your ass. You fucking farted on my hand.
No, I didn't. Turn that off.
Okay, but that's the extra.
All right, it's going pretty good so far, guys.
No, it's not. Look at the fucking leaves, man.
So
Okay, we got this.
just put some lighter fluid on it. Here.
There's lighter fluid on it. When I burn it, it's gonna fucking explode.
Well, shut up.
You have a lighter? You want to do it, Xander?
You
no.
betches?
Actually, wait. No, you can get content. Wait, Xander, come here. Come on, get content.
Oh,
Come on, let's get content.
well, I suppose it's not a bad idea.
Xander, I'm genuinely warning you. There's a lot of lighter fluid in there. It's gonna explode. Film this, it's golden!
Roger's hands getting burned. It's not... Yeah, Roger, it's not that hard, you know?
Oh.
Oh, that wasn't that bad.
Oh, please, wind. Go down, go down, go down. Jesus.
Oh!
Hey!
Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good at all. Right, so, fucking update, Xander update time. It's fucking dead, so we've been grabbing little twigs and branches to get it started again.
It was around this time that Firebender was starting to wear on Ben's psyche, so I thought, hey, why not give the old sport a try of filming for once, huh? And I was quite impressed with the results.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be going out into the wilderness.
Jackass. Just get to work.
Fuck off. Okay. Anyways, what are you doing, Persh? Nothing useful. That's what. All right. Today we're gonna be looking for some more wood. Roger decided to go get a rake because he thought that would help us, and it's not fucking. Man, this shit sucks. There's no fucking wood here.
Do you want to use the?
Hey, get away from the camera, man.
Hey man, that's my phone. I paid a lot of money for that.
I gotta rake.
Let's rake some shit.
Yeah.
Let's go rake up the wood. Pick that up. Here, wait, actually,
No,
that's too green. It's too green. It's too green.
I get it. With the rake, we can rake sticks.
He was light.
Mm-hmm. Come here, again, let me see the camera. We all know Persh puts his back into it. Okay.
Yo, Roger, man, you told me you got better genes now. What the fuck's up with that?
Alright, man.
Hey.
Hey, man, before we get harassment claims. Dude, you're missing all the sticks, right? Ben!
I'm filming.
You're stepping all over it. No. Okay, dude.
Stop.
That's not even like turn off the camera for a second. Oh, okay. Over here for a second. What? This means a lot to Roger. Okay.
You're watching this
motherfucker,
dude. He's not doing anything.
For real. If we fuck this up for him, he's gonna have like an autistic meltdown.
This shit ain't working,
Can you just not stomp on the branches?
This shit ain't working.
What's up, sweetheart?
What's up, buddy?
What's up, sweetheart?
I'm sorry. Wait.
Look at all these branches. No, follow me.
Okay.
Follow me.
I didn't understand that.
It's alright.
Or you're fired.
It's okay. What's that talking about?
Oh!
Man, I sure hope we got that on camera.
I sure hope we cut it out.
No, let's go. We'll bring the camera. Pick up some.
Let me grab some more one.
Add in Super Mario sound effect 1-up to this footage so that it sounds like I'm collecting coins. It sounds like I'm collecting. What?
Film this.
What? Ugh, you're a little bug monster. You're harassing nature. We're gonna get a.
Ow! Ooh! Ow! It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
Pick it up then.
All right.
Fucking bitch.
We made a fire.
Uh-oh.
Where'd Roger go?
Roger's mom's calling. Hold on. Hello? You're a fucking bitch. Oh my god! I can't believe I just did it! Oh my
Hey, y'all want to see something crazy, bro?
What?
I found a piece of corn.
Put the corn in there. Put the corn on the cob, bro. I'm not paying attention to where I'm walking. I'm just walking. What?
Why don't you care about the friend's health and safety?
Shut the fuck up, Persh. We don't care. You should jump in the fire.
Are you? Like, who the actual fuck are you?
Yeah, this is yours.
Okay, this joke is kind of old at this point. Can we just put it behind us?
Speaking of behind us,
Hey,
I thought you were gonna hit me.
And sing out to this.
Hey, I have neighbors, okay? They don't want to hear this fucking...
Yeah, no, out here in
bullshit.
Chinbuck fucking too, like...
Okay?
You don't got neighbors.
What about the lighter?
I got neighbors that have horses. They hate this shit, man. They hate you.
Me? Why?
Away from around these parts.
Come on, man.
I'll spray some shit on your...
No shit.
You can't set the lease on fire. We just fucking established this.
Yes, but there's mostly sticks in here now.
Yes, but you're. Oh my god, you are lighting a fucking lease on fire. We established that was the entire problem.
The entire problem was that there was too many leaves in here.
Okay, well maybe the entire problem is our friendship.
Light it. Okay, our problem with our friendship is you, Xander. I'm fucking sick of your attitude.
Hey, put it there. Put it there. Wait, you're not gonna.
I left the bathroom lights on. I would have.
What are you talking
Dude, look
about?
at the lights, man. It's on, man. I don't know.
Who cares?
Electric's expensive nowadays.
Here, jump over that.
Electric expensive nowadays, man.
Oh!
Don't do the leaves. Get a stick.
Take the log.
You'll be fine.
I'm gonna
See, look
I'm
what
gonna
I've
throw
done.
these.
Look what I've done.
I'm gonna cover you in lighter fluid. I'm not fucking kidding.
That sounds kind of cute.
First, you want to do something useful for once?
I've done everything for you, Ben, and you still don't love me the same
I
way
don't-
he does.
No, I don't love you at all.
The same way he does. Yeah, no. I'll say he's pretty sexy. He's an ass.
Sick of you guys. I'm jealous of it. All right.
Hey, if we get 1 million subscribers, all you guys in the comments have to date us.
Oh, you handsome girls in the car.
What if the girls are like 13, 14,
Man,
15?
wouldn't it be funny if by now in this video it was like lit?
Do you see the
These
shit
are
I'm
too
starting
green.
down
These are
there?
too
Like,
green. These are too green. We need to find something dead, like Xander.
I already told you not to use green leaves, and you only listen when like Roger
I don't
says
listen
it.
to you at all because you're annoying.
toxic.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Come on. I gotta sit down.
Oh.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, what the fuck was that?
Pyromania.
Let there be light. Pour some more lighter fluid on the top logs there, baby boy.
I don't think it's up there yet.
Holy shit!
We built a fire.
We did it!
It's already going out.
Ah, come on, man. Alright, guys, oh my fucking god, I can't even see shit. Holy fuck.
Tried our best.
It's real windy tonight. So, let me go roast the pickle while I still can. Okay. This was the big gag. I hope you think it's funny, because this is all I got for you people. For you YouTube watchers. Okay, Kevin. Miss Kevin. Fuck! Come on, Miss Kevin! I don't have time. Bullshit! Come on. Come on! I want this so bad. I didn't buy this pickle just to fucking eat it. It's disgusting. Oh god. That's not good. I found it at the gas station. Hopefully. Get a stick! Get a stick, man! Get a stick ready. Penetrate it. Holy fuck! Please be good. Bro! Stick it through. Come on, help me, Roger. Come on, Roger, put it in. You push. Okay.
Bro, my fucking marshmallow.
Oh, sorry.
Hey,
Who gives a shit, you selfish bastard?
It's actually my.
Roasted weenies! Oh.
Come on. Fucking pickle juice all over my shit.
So good, just burn it off. Roasted weenies! What? Oh no!
Hey, look at that.
Hey, set the pickle on fire, man. Fuck! My eye!
Look at that. A perfect golden black.
Alright, let me get one in. Are you gonna...
Oh, okay, you're over there. Thank you.
Where's your chocolate?
It's in the bag. You. Yeah, my charge on.
Now that we got the fire piping hot and cooking up marshmallows, we didn't even care that my pickle sitting in the burning fire made it smell like shit. All we were concerned with was sitting down, relaxing, and making some s'mores with the boys after our long days of hard work.
I'm gonna have to put it up again, Roger.
Okay. Did you have an open one? An open...
Dude, bro, look at mine, bro.
Hold on.
No.
I have to keep it up, man. I'm not fucking... Promise you, I'm not gonna fucking light the house on fire. Wait, so let me show this to the vlog. I made myself the first and only successful s'more.
No. Hey, I did one too. We're the guys in the profile picture, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready?
Alright, let's do it again.
Okay, ready? Here it goes. Ew!
That's like,
Throw it.
bro. Don't mind the one in the back, but do you see that golden crisp right there?
How's my pickle? It's right there, it fell.
What?
It fell in.
Where is it?
It's right there. See it? It's right there.
Oh, is it burning?
Nah, he's chilling. Hey, my pickle's good, folks.
Alright, guys.
Uh-oh. A little bit of trouble. I gotta go get water.
Pushy.
Hey, is your hand sticky?
Oh,
Hold on.
hi there.
I don't want you to get my shit sticky, bro. Oh my god, no. Xander!
Well, guys, we may not have been able to start a fire, but I think we started a little bit something more important than that, and that's a close bondmanship. Hey. Persh. Persh.
Yeah?
You alright, man?
Yeah.